There was an opportunity to get some more Jeffree Star products. So Miss Fatima got out her credit card and made a purchase. And then we had to fight and find out what color bag we got. I was hoping for the pink, although all of them are fun summer colors. Let's see what we got. We got the pink one. That's what we were hoping for. Although, as I understand it, all of the items in said bag are the same. Yet, we are excited to have the pink one. Honestly, we would have been excited with any of them. This is a very good-sized bag. It's a fake, plasticky, crocodile-y type outer. The inside is a plastic that is wipeable. So if something spills, easy to clean up. Inside there is a zippered compartment, and on the outside there is, if I can get it to turn around, a good-sized bag. It does not have a closure on this outside one. The whole bag itself has a nice zipper. Oh, this is a fun one. And it does have on the front, there is the logo, and it's also on the zipper. Where'd the zipper go? It's hiding. That figures. There we are. So let's see what came in here. From an advertisement purpose, there's always his little card advertising his products. They advertised that there would be some original items or original products in here. Well, here's our original pop socket, and here is our original bracelet. Honestly, I'm afraid to try and put this on myself for fear I can't get it off. The pop socket, I don't use these, so this will go in the Find a Future Home box. The bracelet, we might see if it could fit around my hoof. We shall see. We got 6 single shadows, and these all count as one item. I am noticing, though, that I am getting a lot of repeats, so I will need to sort through to see which ones I already have and which ones I want to keep and which ones I want to pass along. We got the shades Mohawk, Yak Farm, Punk Couture, Freak Show, Scene Queen, and Wyoming. I wish they would give us the empty palette in which to put the ones we want to keep. We got a Supreme gloss in the shade Improper. And I am definitely liking the looks of this shade. I do like things with a bit of a purple, and this has a bit of a purple. A Supreme gloss. And then we got the gloss in the shade Pink Jacuzzi. And it has some fun packaging too. I like the top of that. Yes, this is a fun one. The gloss with a nice fancy topper on it. Snazzy. We are halfway through the box, and our 3 favorites are the Great Big Pink Bag and the 2 lip glosses. Did you get this? What did you get? What did you see here that we got that you liked? Comment down below. I'm a nosy camel. I want to know all the details. Tell me the 411. Tell me all the tea. I want to know. I want to know. And from what I hear via the grapevine, on the 13th of July, Jeffree Star is releasing a new set of products that have a watermelon theme. Oh, I might want to check that out because we both like some watermelon. Yes, we both have a thing for some good watermelon. Moving right along with this video. This is from his skin collection. It is a leave-on mask. It has lots of different fruit oils in here that are supposed to be very good for your skin. It is recommended to use this as the last step of your skincare and then add either makeup on top or no makeup if it's a no makeup day. This is a beach-proof eyeliner in the shade Cool Down. I'm not a big eyeliner person, so this will go into a future giveaway, find a future home box. This shade is called Scorpio Sand. It is a liquid eyeshadow. This is probably something that I'm not going to use, so again, we will pass this along either as a gift or in a giveaway or in the Find the Future Home box. We will pass this along. This is in the shade Candy. It is a hydrating lip gloss. I want to see it. Okay, but you gotta help me here, and please don't swallow anything. Okay, I won't. This one pops off, and then you turn it, and eventually something appears. Okay, I've got that rolled up as far as it will go. So you get a good amount of product, and I'm not sure if the camera is picking up all of the sparkle and the embossing, yet I like a good lip balm, so I'm excited to get to use this one. I know I have another one of his lip balms. I haven't gotten to it yet, but this will go in the lineup. This is the Magic Candy Liquid Blush. The shade is a little bit not my vibe, so I think I'm just going to pass this one along. And it is in the shade Blood Orange Drip. We got another eyeglass powder in the shade Brain Freeze. I have a couple of these. I don't think I have this one. I haven't opened it. I need to check and be sure I don't have this one. If I have this one, then it will either go into the Find a Future Home box or make a nice gift for a friend. And last but not least, there is a mirror. This is a small mirror, but it's a mirror, and it matches the bag. Yes, from what I understand, each box gets a mirror that matches the bag that goes with it. Yes, I can see myself. I like to look at myself in the mirror. We've noticed. My top three from this half of the box were the lip balm, the eye gloss, and the leave-on mask. Fatima's favorite was the mirror. What did you like in this last half of the box? Tell me all the details. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have lots of fun adventures over here. And taking a quick look at the nitty-gritty, this was $120 with a $272 value. I think that's a good value. I do too. Even if there's some things that I'm not going to use, I still think I got value for my money. 4 are brand new items out of the 12. Now, granted, the individual shadows, that counts as one item, which is nice. I think some of the brand new items are the pop socket and that bracelet. Yeah, would have rather seen something else, like a watermelon product, The shipping was free. We had to pay tax. So all in, we were $129.30. So please consider subscribing to our channel. Like, comment, subscribe, notification bell, comment down below. Watch a video that's popping up on the screen. Check out the description box down below. Or did I just say that? I'm forgetful sometimes. We hope to see you soon in another video. Bye bye.